Hey, I want to make a video for an idea if you're in a pinch. So this is your toilet lever. You know, mine's a side mount. When you push it down, it lifts up the flapper down there. And what happens is, for some reason, I don't know why they did this. They used to make these out of brass, and I don't think the brass ones would rust. But now I guess they make them out of metal that rusts. And what had happened on this one is it actually, I couldn't figure out why it wasn't flushing well, and the metal basically rusted through there and it was almost ready to break off. So what I did is just get yourself a piece of metal. This is just an old drill bit I found in the yard, and a nail would do if you cut off the head or something like that, or just a little piece of metal. And then I just put it in where it was broken right there, and zip tied it on. And what that does is, it's not a final solution, but now your toilet's going to work, and you can order one of these levers. They're about $10 right now. I don't know what they'll cost in the future. And so I'll just buy you time until the part gets in, if you have to like order it off of Amazon or something. But I could see we forget how to make stuff. This is not that rocket science. You could probably just build that yourself. But in the society that we are, $10 doesn't seem like a lot of money. And I just ordered a new one. But that's why this is broken, because everything's a throwaway society now. So anyways, so just a little tip: if you need to get your toilet working till your part comes in, you could do that.